got fire. They are on fire. The shooting stars are looking like shooting stars right now. That's two fast, high-performance canopies made by Performance Designs. They're 79 square feet each, which means they're coming in hot. Those canopies are small.
79 square feet. That's like a king-size sheet.
It is. It's like actually a kid's sheet. The size canopy I like to fly when I'm wingsuiting, it's a little faster than a speeding ticket. She's now a runway model and was actually modeling her wingsuit on the runway yesterday. And Melissa Burns is circling them in her H540 stunt plane, which is kind of really fun when you're flying a wingsuit and then all of a sudden you've got an airplane flying with you, launching fireworks. Yeah, I love it. Those girls are on fire!
Miles, want people to stay.
Yeah, isn't that awesome? They're flying in the wild with their wingsuits. I'd like to say thanks to Skydive City for their twin honor to jump out of. And Melissa's getting up there, getting busy right now. Showing us what she's got. Getting upside down. She's a racer in the Air Race X Remote Race Series that's trying to lead its way back to the Air Race Series. Right now she's the only American in the Air Race X. Pumping up the fireworks. Her children, Isla and Joe, are here with their friends Aria and Ember. Yeah, guys, wave to mom. Pump it up. Woo-hoo.
So she's a professor at Embry-Riddle.
Yep.
She flies with the airlines.
Yep.
She's an air racer.
Yep.
She's a champion wingsuit jumper, base jumper. She climbs mountains and does everything.
She has two beautiful kids. She loves to fly.
And the kids are here too. And how cool is that, watching mom do this?
Oh my goodness. I grew up in Air Force craft and would watch my dad air shows, and I gotta stand her now out there.
The United States. We can see the LEDs wrapping around the motor. The motors they have are just almost like a battery. Continuing to add the sparkle in the sky. Not only did they have the LEDs, but they have a little flare. And in a few moments, we may even add more.